Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Yes, do you see my new ZRDESIGN watch band? We love it. What I really like is the unique placement of the leather. The stitching and the vintage metal buckle is what caught my eye. And I think the ultra wide adapter in matte black makes it really stylish and sets it apart from other watch bands. I have to admit, I enjoyed it for a few days before handing it over to my nephew. And it was excellent when I was exercising, and it held up to an intense sweat workout. I can attest that the anti-sweat and anti-odor feature worked. Where I used it on the last slot of the band, my nephew used it on the 6th, and it fits him just perfect in that spot. And you can see it looks great with this gray suit. The black nylon and the gray leather together is going to match with so many different shirts. You're going to love it. So try this watch band by ZRDESIGN. It comes in great, fabulous colors. I love the orange myself, and the green is magnificent. You will love it. We highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.